welcome people, Master Maxify here, and today I'm having another tutorial for you guys to make for RPGMakerVXAce. So we're back at tutorial game. Make sure to check out part 1 if you haven't already. It will explain you how to do basics. This is just my tutorial hometown, and I have 2 houses and just a tent and some people to talk to. So what this episode will mainly focus on is text and events. And let's start off with text and all the different features you can use in text. For example, let's make a new event. Graphic, not Greg. And we can just make person. You just make this person. I don't know if I've used that person before. I have actually, haven't I? Oh, there's no more people around it. Ah, there's a normal person. It's quite stormy outside. Anyway, I'm gonna go to graphic. What we can do is we can make the NPCs walk around too. Just put random, and they'll just walk around. No, walk around the town. Like that, yeah. Then you click event, and you've got the different 3 main things to do with text. So the first text, this is also based on events. You can name your events here, and that way when you're writing a script, which I don't really, very rarely use, for example, this can be NPC1, for example, and you would have to do this. You see on the scale 1, and then in your script you'd have to do that if NPC1 is talked to, this happens, that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna leave that for now. Anyway, the most basic is show text. To use this, you just go click on face graphic, find the person you chose, type in the text. These arrows here is without a picture, without a face graphic. So if you just want the game to tell you something, like you got an item, then you go up to, this is the maximum, and if you have a face graphic, this is the maximum. I'll show you. It's approximate, it's not exact. Like if I go a little bit, I can see now that I've gone past it, you can't see anymore. If I get rid of a face graphic, I can still go to the end. And only then is it too much. That was just an example. So what we can do. Hi Roy. Oh gosh. Well, I was just making another game and I constantly type Roy in that game. It's my fault, it's a main character. Hi Greg. Are you having a good day? Having a good day? You can click preview just in case you don't know, and I'll show you what it looks like. Hi Greg, are you having a good day? So you can put that, and let me show you what this will look like. New game, tutorial game. I see he walks around. He can go left and right as well, he's just choosing to go straight down at the moment. Man. If I stand in front of him, he should go in a different direction. I'm pretty sure he can go in a double direction. There you go. See? Hi Greg, are you having a good day? Hi Greg, are you having a good day? And I'll continuously say that. So that's the most basic thing you can do with text. Now, after that, let's do the next one, show choices. Now, what you can do is, he asked us, are you having a good day? So this will probably give us only the choices of yes and no. You can have up to 4 choices, and if you want more, for example, I'm going to actually make there be more, like this, like, it's okay, no, yes, then we'll have other. I'll show you what that's going to do after. So now it will do this. This may look confusing, but when it says when it's okay is chosen, this is what will happen. He will then say to us, that's good then. And that will be the end of our chat, because this is branch end. But if we press No, like he can be. That's terrible. That's terrible. Have you put yes? You can say great. So oops. Am I? And then when other, all we're going to show is show choices, and then not really. This will give us more choices. Best day ever. So now we have even more choices. Not really. That's not so good. And then best day ever. We have. Wow. Really? And there you go, that's our branch end. Now if we do that, it's still quite loud, but it's fine. We'll talk to him. Hi Gregory, having a good day? And we'll have 4 choices. Like, it's okay, that's good then. If I put no, he says that's terrible. If I put yes, great, so am I. But if I put other, see, just the text disappears though. But it's fine. Not really, best day ever. That's not so good. Other, best day ever. Wow, really? And there you go. That's the still quite basic. It's not too difficult to understand if you know how to use it. So let's leave him as an NPC there and create a new event, because I don't want too many things in one event. So I will make this guy to make him face this way. Oh, I just realized he's a thief. You click random again, triggers if you touch him if you want that, or if you like press on him or any other thing. You can make it so that automatically he starts talking, like when you enter the room. That's what you use for cutscenes and stuff. If you want to do something like that, I'll make an entire story about that though. So the next thing will be input number. Enters a natural number and stores it in a variable. Now this is where it starts getting confusing. Input number is great for a code. Like, I will make this dude, where is it? This dude say, hey, I will give you 500 gold if you tell me my favorite. Oops, I spelled that wrong. Favorite number. And then we'll have input number. Now let's make this as simple as we can. This is where you choose how many digits you want. So let's make his favorite number have 2 digits. Let's make it be 56. So over here we will choose variable for number and we'll click. This will show up with a variable menu. Now don't worry, I'll make this as simple as you can. Just click on 1 and just type in the name like hometown NPC code. There you go, hometown NPC code. And just press OK. And that's it, just press OK after that. Now that will be it. So if we click on the next one, we will make conditional branch. Just so you know. And then you'll click on variable. And there'll be, you have to choose, if you've made more than one of these before, you'll do hometown NPC code. And if it's equal to consonant 56, that's our code. It's okay. If it's equal to 56, then he will say, oops, no, wrong one. He'll say, wow, here is 500 gold. But if you get it wrong, else, then he will say, no, that's not my favorite number, and you get another try after. But because you get it, get the 500 gold, we'll have to do over here on party, change gold, increase by constant. You can also increase variables, but not right now. Constant 500, which means I'll get 500 gold. There you go, apply. Okay. And now we can test that. So let's go talk to this dude. Hey, I will give you 500 gold if you tell me my favorite number. So here, let's just go for 32. No, that's not my favorite number. And 00 isn't my favorite number either. 72. No. But if we go for 56, wow, here's 500 gold. And then we have 500 gold in our menu, down here. Now we just made a code. I will make a full episode on loads of different codes and puzzles later, but that's like a really simplified version. You can make it a really long 8-digit code if you really want to. Now there's only a few things left. Oops, not switch, what am I doing? Then you'll go graphic. I'll go for, what is this? Behavior. Oh well. Anyway, we can just choose another person. I'll go for this dude. And busy. Okay. And alright, I'm back. Now the next thing I'll show is show scrolling text. This is quite simple. Oops. You can go, this text is moving and it is really cool. Here is a code. Then here I haven't written enough. Let's not do 6. Honestly, I don't really want that number. And we'll do something like this. If you get more than 4 lines, it will slowly move. Now speed, we're going to do 5. I can't really see it on here, but you save changes. We'll talk to this dude. This text is moving and it is really cool. Here is a, yeah, you see, that's what it does. Yeah, just in case you've ever wanted to do that. For credits, for example. And that's all we have with text. Now to focus on a few things on events. Now I will show you how to do an item you can pick up. They'll only ever appear once. Now the thing I always use for items is in other one. Maybe use one of these things or one of these borders on the floor colors. I'll use red for now. We'll do fixed action button and we'll make it say no face graphic, and I'll show you what it looks like. Found potion. Oops. Potion. Oh gosh. Oh. There you go. And it will look like this. Found potion. And after that, we'll do change items. Potion increase by constant 1. There you go. See? Change items potion to +1. After that, we will go to tab 2 and click erase event. It will erase it, so it will disappear. But if you go back in the room, it will be back, and we don't want that. So what we need to do is on number 1 on game progression. There will be control self switch right here. Click it, self switch A on, and okay. Now, because this is page 1 of the event, you can make events have loads of pages, but I don't need that many at the moment. We're just going to make a second page, so we've got 2. Make it have absolutely nothing, and tick the conditions, self switch over here, make A is on. And we will show you, I'll show you now, that will disappear and never come back. Fine potion. There it goes. But now if I go into, if I didn't do the self switch A thing, I'll come back here and it'll be back, but it's not back because I made the self switch make it disappear. So there you go. That is the tutorial on text and events. There's only a few more things I'm actually gonna do. Yeah, you can make it so that it's also, for example, if we'll use switches later in the game, I'll explain to you, but if a specific switch is activated, then this would happen. You can make 2 at a time. If a specific variable, like hometown NPC code variable is 0 or above, because what you can do is you can make things, control variables, and they add to a variable, and like whenever it becomes more than a number, it will activate this event. For example, if you're making a quest, you need to get 5, you need to kill 5 slimes. You'll make it so there's a variable that when you kill a slime, it goes up by 1. When it's above 4, well, it's above 5 or above, then it would activate the quest so that you've completed it. Then you've got self switch, which if you activate the switch, if a specific item is in your hand, like a key item, like a key, for example, the door will open. Or you can make it if one of your friends is there, like a party member. That's it. That's all I'm showing for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope this helps you. Bye!